Okay, here's your solution to number 48. You guys asked for, what we're looking for is a solution with a pH of 3.55 coming from nitrous acid, which has a pKa of 340, plus we got a ratio in that log of NO2 minus over HNO2. There are a couple things about this problem which are kind of nice, but first we got to solve this so that we can get this ratio of NO2 to HNO2. Just get rid of the logs, subtract, throw it over, and that's 1.4. Well, that 1.4 is the ratio. Since their molarity is 0.5 molar, we want to know the volume of each. We're going to let the molarity, the volume of our acid be equal to X. And since we wanted 1 liter of this solution, the other one will be 1 minus X. And if we plug this in, our 0.5s cancel and solve this. X equals 0.42. So what that means is the HNO2 is going to be 420 mils, and the NO2 minus, the sodium nitrite, is going to be 580 mils to make me 1 full liter of solution. That's your answer to 48. I hope this helped.